Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 stereo amplifiers on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these stereo amplifiers. Let's get started. The first, Denon AVR-S570BT, is a powerhouse of entertainment, bringing your movies to life in stunning 8K resolution with its 70-watt, 5-channel output. Equipped with 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs and 1 HDMI output, this receiver supports eARC with lightning-fast 40 gigabits per second speed, ensuring seamless audio and video transmission. As the successor to the AVR-S570BT, it enhances HD audio playback and gaming with features like variable refresh rate and quick frame transport for ultra-smooth performance. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with support for HDR, HLG, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dynamic HDR, while DTS HD Master and Dolby True HD deliver an immersive surround sound experience. Stream your favorite music effortlessly via built-in Bluetooth from services like Spotify, Tidal, and Pandora, creating a wireless multi-room audio system. Setting up is a breeze with the easy on-screen HD setup assistant, which guides you through every step while optimizing your sound with custom EQ settings. Control everything with your smart TV remote or the Denon Remote app for a seamless, user-friendly experience. Built with Denon's century-long legacy of Japanese precision engineering, the AVR-S570BT is the perfect centerpiece for your home theater, offering exceptional picture quality, powerful audio, and next-level gaming performance. The second, Pyle Bluetooth Hybrid, is a powerhouse designed to take your karaoke nights and home entertainment to the next level. With an impressive peak power of 2,000 watts and support for multiple speakers at 4 ohms impedance, it delivers high-quality, amplified audio that fills the room with crystal-clear sound. Equipped with 9 versatile inputs, including FM radio, MP3 playback, USB reader, AUX, 2 microphone inputs, a headphone jack, optical and coaxial digital inputs, HDMI, AC, 3, and DVD input, it ensures seamless connectivity for all your devices. Its Bluetooth compatibility allows you to stream music wirelessly from smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers, making it incredibly convenient for modern setups. The front panel is designed for easy control, featuring a VFD display, auto search for radio stations, and rotary knobs to adjust microphone volume, treble, bass, echo, and master volume with precision. Built for professional-grade performance, it boasts a sturdy rack-mountable design with a built-in cooling fan and radio antenna to keep things running smoothly. Additional features like spectrum mode and repeat audio functions enhance the listening experience, while the included remote control and FM antenna add extra convenience. Whether you are setting up a home theater, hosting a party, or belting out your favorite songs, this amplifier delivers powerful sound with effortless control. The third, Yamaha A-S501BL, Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, is a perfect blend of power, precision, and elegance, designed to bring your music and movies to life with remarkable clarity. Delivering an impressive 85 watts per channel, it ensures rich, dynamic audio that captures every detail with stunning accuracy. With digital inputs for seamless connection to your television or Blu-ray player, it provides a versatile listening experience without compromising on quality. The Pure Direct mode enhances sound purity by minimizing signal interference, while Yamaha's advanced total purity audio reproduction technology and symmetrical input-to-output design ensure crystal-clear audio reproduction. Built with high-quality components, including a custom-made power transformer, large block capacitors, and extruded aluminum heat sinks, it delivers both power and stability for a superior listening experience. The anti-resonance and tough bass minimizes vibrations, keeping the sound clean and distortion-free. With its sleek design and exceptional performance, this amplifier is the perfect addition to any high-fidelity audio setup, making every note, dialogue, and soundtrack sound better than ever. The fourth, Denon PMA-600NE, is a powerhouse of precision and performance, delivering exceptional sound quality in a sleek and vibration-resistant design. With 70 watts of power at 4 ohms, it drives a wide range of speakers while maintaining the richness and clarity of every note. Its advanced circuitry allows you to disengage digital circuits for a purely analog experience, ensuring an undisturbed and immersive listening session. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and multiple digital inputs, including 2 optical, 1 coaxial, and a dedicated phono input, It seamlessly connects to CD players, Blu-ray devices, and turntables for a versatile audio setup. The advanced high-current single push-pull circuit amplifier ensures a perfect balance between power and musical detail, delivering a clean, dynamic, and multi-dimensional soundstage. Backed by Denon's century-long expertise in high-fidelity audio, this amplifier is built with premium components, offering impeccable durability, sophisticated aesthetics, and sound performance that stands the test of time. The fifth, Sony STR-DH190 CH. Elevate your home audio experience with a powerful yet compact stereo amplifier designed to bring music to life with stunning clarity and depth. Delivering 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms, it supports speaker impedances ranging from 6 to 16 ohms, ensuring compatibility with a variety of setups. Equipped with multiple inputs, including a phono input for stereo RCA audio connections, a 3.5mm input, and a stereo RCA output, it seamlessly integrates with your favorite audio sources. Built-in Bluetooth allows effortless streaming from music services, podcasts, and other devices, while the ability to connect up to 4 speakers with A/B switching lets you play sound in separate zones or all at once for a full-room experience. Its low-profile design fits neatly into standard AV cabinets, making it a perfect addition to any home entertainment system. An FM radio with 30-station presets and a full-size headphone jack provide additional listening options, while high-resolution audio ensures that every detail is captured with exceptional precision. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release. Denon AVR-S570BT delivers stunning 8K visuals and immersive sound with 70 watts per channel. It supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and DTS HD Master, making movies and gaming exceptional. However, it lacks built-in Wi-Fi, limiting connectivity. I give it 5 stars. Pyle Bluetooth Hybrid packs 2000 watts of power, perfect for karaoke and home entertainment. With 9 inputs and Bluetooth, it offers great versatility. However, sound quality at high volumes is not as refined as premium models. I give it 5 stars. Yamaha A-S501BL provides high-fidelity sound with 85 watts per channel and digital inputs for modern setups. The pure direct mode enhances clarity. However, it lacks Bluetooth, limiting wireless streaming. I give it 5 stars. Denon PMA-600NE delivers balanced, powerful sound with 70 watts per channel and Bluetooth for versatility. High-quality components ensure durability. However, it does not support a subwoofer output, limiting bass expansion. I give it 4 stars. Sony STR-DH190 offers 100 watts per channel, Bluetooth streaming, and phono input for turntables. It fits easily in AV setups. However, it lacks digital inputs like optical or coaxial, reducing compatibility. I give it 4 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 stereo amplifiers. See you in the next video. Goodbye.